got done with my workout, took bath. I'm gonna make a nice cup of coffee, actually 2 cups of coffees, one for me and one for Mayan. I'm gonna add some milk, and then I have been using my Mace House milk frother for over 3 years now, and I absolutely love it. I literally just put the milk in here, whatever milk you want, set the temperature and press the button. And it is not overly frothy, you know, like some of the frothing machines just make so much froth and the milk is like, and when you drink you always remove the froth. Not like that. It's the perfect amount of hot frothed milk. For coffee, we have been switching it up a little bit. We have been using this rice coffee. This is a mushroom coffee and this is in dark roast, and I have been loving it. My stomach has been loving it. Not that the other coffee, the instant coffee, Nescafe one that I normally drink has any problem. I don't have any problem with that, but I wanted to switch it up and try this coffee like for a few days. So let me take out 2 cups. Let me take out new cups today. Let's take out this. It says start each day with a grateful heart, and the other can be this, so I can show you the coffee. I do with this is I take my collagen every single day. I add this to the cup and I give this to Mike as well. So let's go ahead. Collagen. So this coffee, I just follow the instruction what it says. It's like you take 1 tablespoon of the rice coffee and the tablespoon comes with it, and also this wooden spoon comes with it. So and then you can either make it hot or cold. I prefer hot, and mix it up and then add your favorite creamer or milk, whatever you like. So then I take my coffee. Honestly, it tastes just like coffee and I don't add any sugar to it. It doesn't taste bitter or anything. It tastes delicious, and it has like how many different type of mushrooms. It has 6 different type of mushrooms mixed with instant coffee, so that's why it definitely tastes like coffee, but you also get the benefits of the mushroom. So I just take 1 tablespoon and add it to both, and then I am gonna add hot water to it, and then the milk. And that's it. The coffee's ready. Right? Sealable bag, so you literally just seal it. And also, this is not a promotion. I bought it with my own money, so yeah. I'm just gonna top it off with some milk.
हेलो गाइस, ये ब्रेड रोल बन रहे हैं. इसमें मैंने ऑयल में मस्टर्ड सीड्स और जीरा वगैरह डाल के उसको फ्राई करा. फिर उसमें मैंने प्याज भुना. फिर उसके बाद मैंने उसमें हल्दी डाली, थोड़ा सा धनिया पाउडर डाला, थोड़ा गरम मसाला, थोड़ा चाट मसाला, ये सब डाल के, और मैंने उसके बाद इसमें पोटैटो, पनीर और कॉर्न ये डाल के तीनों खूब अच्छे से इनको भून लिया. और इसमें फिर मैंने हरा धनिया मिला के मज़ेदार स्वादिष्ट मसाला तैयार कर लिया, जिसके मैं ब्रेड रोल बना रही हूँ.
उसको एयर फ्राई कर देना.
हाँ, बस इसको एयर फ्राई
या बेक या
अगर आप इसको खाना चाहें फ्राई करके तो फ्राई भी कर सकते हैं, बट अगर ऑयल नहीं लेना चाहते हैं तो एयर फ्रायर में बेक कर लें.
So mom made 2 kinds. One is without green chili and one is with green chili for us. And this is gonna go in the air fryer. I have already put some oil in the base. And then just gonna brush it. She literally explained the recipe like a recipe content creator. So if you guys want the recipe, let me know and then I'll put it in the description box. Harwa bread roll. So the bread rolls are ready. They are nice and crispy, as you can hear them. And then let's dip it in the sauce. Iron is back from school. He's also eating his lunch. Very good. So we all finished our lunch and Dad is watering. My dad is at Nitisha's house. He's watering the plants over there. Mayan's mom and Aiden and Alani are playing over there outside. Alani क्या कर रही है? पत्थर से खेल रही है? Oh good, have fun. I think she's under the playhouse.
That's my secret office.
Yeah. It's like really cold outside today, but it's sunny, but very cold. I'm gonna go finish my editing. What do I hear? What's going on?
Alani's not sharing.
Alani's not sharing?
No.
Why? What is she not sharing? Are you not sharing, Alani?
Alani is not sharing. Aiden is not sharing.
Oh no. You both are not sharing. How are you gonna play then?
Because she never doesn't like sharing.
Maybe you have to teach her then. And you also have to share. Put me to 9-9. Here.
Yeah.
Alani, come sit here. Put me to 9-9. Wow.
Alani,
Sit
come
here.
here. Alani, come here.
I'm gonna keep my head here. So Alani's like, how you sleep behind like this? Can you put me to sleep? Nicely, gently. No, don't go. Don't go.
Let's see the play. And you can have a biscuit. See?
And I can have a good sleep here?
Yeah, what you can sleep with sisters.
I don't want to sleep with him. I want to sleep with you.
किधर नहीं जा रहा है?
Really soft on top.
Huh?
Sleep, sleep.
That was my first and last mistake.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
Here, here. Look. Wow. It's Lani saying hi.
She didn't give me the water thing.
Here. Oh, let's take this out. You know what this is, Alani?
Yeah.
What is it?
Waterfall. This.
Okay. Oh, look at you. Oh, you are so cute, Alani. You're so pretty. What will you do with that? Alright, so I found a recipe on TikTok for pork belly. It's like a Bossam recipe, but Bossam, I don't know how to pronounce it properly, but basically you need pork belly, green onion, which I do, oh no, not green onion, ginger, clove, brown sugar, instant coffee. I have all of those stuff, so let's make it.
I'm blue without your face. Well, what can I do? 'Cause I'm just a sinking ship, and you're just a pair of lips that I've lost in the moment. All I want is for you to come back. Now I'm caught in the middle of life, and I need.
Roasting some in a pan with some ghee here. I am roasting some fox nuts, aka makhana. Yeah, we usually get a very big bag because everybody in our house loves it, and then they're also very nutritious. Let me tell you the benefits. They're a good source of protein. They promote weight loss, but that's not the reason why we eat it. They're good for digestion. They improve heart health, strengthen your bones, and anti-aging. They have a lot of calcium in it. So, and they taste super delicious. That's the reason why we eat it.
What is so delicious?
Foxnut?
I already found.
I know. I'm gonna cook up some for you.
Oh.
Yeah. So you actually just
Will it be hot?
a little bit hot, but I'm gonna cool it down and give it to you. It's the simplest snack to make. You buy this foxnut packet. They are raw basically, and then a non-fried version basically, and then you just put some ghee or butter or olive oil, whatever you prefer, but ghee gives a very good flavor to it. And then you add in the foxnut, and then you basically just roast them up, and then they're a little bit hot, you add some salt to it. And that's it. This is a container that I normally keep in. It's almost out because I also give it to him for his snacks for school. Gonna refill all my all my spices, my atta, all of those things that is finishing. So I'm just gonna quickly finish those work. I'm done editing one video for TikTok, YouTube, and Shorts, like Instagram. I uploaded the TikTok, I uploaded the Instagram. I got stuck doing the YouTube thing, and I need Mayank's help, but he's in a meeting. So yeah, waiting for that. What, baby?
You're done yet.
Almost. Excuse you.
Excuse you.
Excuse you.
Bless you.
Bless you. I did not sneeze. Alright, pork belly is ready. This is how it looks. I'm gonna let it cool down completely, and I'm just gonna discard this. But if you want, you can strain it, put some like thicken up the sauce with some cornstarch or something and use it, but I don't really want to use it. And then I'm just gonna slice it up, and then you can eat it directly. You can crisp it up more in the pan once you slice it from both the sides, so it's gonna be nice and crispy. I'm gonna eat some tonight, I guess, and then some of it I'm gonna slice it and freeze it, so I can take it out whenever I want and eat it. I miss you too. What are you doing? Is it flying?
Yeah, the magic fire engine.
Wow.
And the Paw Patrol's back from the hospital because he's feeling better now.
Good.
And you also have to go super high.
I would love to see.
You can also do some fire.
Wow.
You can also do turn. You can do upside down drive.
Alright, Maya.
Look,
Yeah.
it's upside down.
Alright. Mayank is making dinner, aloo gobi, and Dad is supervising over there. And we have dal and rice for dinner.
Hello, guys. Oh no, it's falling down the sky.
वो वहाँ रखिए, बेबी गरम कर ली, मतलब माइक्रोवेव में डाल दो. Okay, dinner is ready. Irene is sitting down to eat. I am also sitting down to eat, and the rest of them are also coming. I have dal, rice, and gobi aloo matar sabji. So that's our dinner today.
In the bed.
You already drank your milk. Dinner is done. Kitchen is cleaned up. Irene is ready for bed. But before you already drank your milk, baby. So before I put him to bed, I'm gonna do my skincare, my nighttime skincare, and then go put him to bed. Irene, let me show everybody that you're ready for nighttime. That's his avocado PJ.
No.
Yeah.
My rainbow PJ.
Rainbow. Been loving this Medicube kojic acid turmeric cleanser because of the acne that I've been getting recently. And I use the Ordinary toner. Then I do the rice toner.
Here's the rice toner.
This is what?
You said Ross daughter.
I said it. Then I do the retinol. Oh my god, my battery is finishing. I do the retinol face serum, and then I'm gonna do the eye cream, and I'm gonna do this cream, and that'll be it. So I will see you guys in my next vlog, and hopefully I can finish my skincare in that video. But until then, what do we say again? Until then,
And,
bye.